Hello, Cece. My name is Devin, and you spoke with my wife and my partner Mary a little bit earlier. So I just want to say thank you for taking the time with speaking with her, and then as well as watching this screencast. So really quickly, I just wanted to go over three things I found on your guys' website you can do to super easily to beat out Barrett Tree Service. As you see, they're ranked right here at the top of Google. When you type in Boston Tree Service, which gets about 140 clicks per month. So definitely a spot you guys want to be in, and you guys can definitely be there. So like I said, really quickly, I'm going to go over three things. So, content, backlinks, and citations. So, the first thing I'm going to go over here is content. As you see, we have your guys' page pulled up here. So, Google really likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on these front pages right here. And all this would be considered content for your guys' page right here. So, the reasoning behind this is because Google not only believes this content is going to keep customers on your page longer, Google really believes it's going to keep them on Google longer, which is ultimately going to give them more opportunities to sell these ads that they have here. At the top of the page, they have ads right here at the bottom of these pages as well. So Google's crawling websites, basically trying to see who has the most authoritative content to put them front and center right here on this front page. Because as we know, 70% of customers are doing their shopping on this first page. Nobody's really going to this second, third, fourth, let alone fifth, sixth page. So Google understands the importance of being on this front page, and they really try to keep their qualifications pretty strict. So I like to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, and then as well as these keywords you guys have here. So as you see, Boston Tree Service, that's a high volume keyword that I mentioned before. It gets 140 searches a month. So there's a bunch of keywords out there that you guys want to be ranking for, but just adding these in on your home page will help Google guide traffic to your website, because if they see this keyword right here on the front of your website, then they'll rank you for it really, and then send traffic for you, which will boost you up in the rankings on this first page right here. So with those two, that's definitely gonna help you a lot on getting organically ranked right here on this front page. The second tip I have is called backlinks. This is also going to help you get ranked on this first page as well. So a backlink is basically when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to you. This is very important because Google is basically a popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies that's vouching for your company. But they would like to see relevant companies, so they'll just give you a lot more power if you're using other like tree service companies or other contractors rather than using like a Pizza Hut. That's sending you power because Google understands you don't make pizzas for a living, right? So I like to use a website called Ahrefs to check this. This is strictly through Google right here. So it basically tells me everything that's behind the scenes when it comes to websites on Google. So as we see, you guys have 18 different websites giving you a total of 114 different backlinks. So that's 114 total times dardentree.com is listed on one of these websites right here. So as we hop over here to Barrett Tree, we see they have 84 websites giving them a total of 396 backlinks. So this is definitely beatable, but definitely something we want to go after. So what we can do is we can see exactly what websites that they have their business listed in, and you guys, I recommend you guys go out there and not only just grab their top ones right here, but you want to go grab more. You want to go grab better ones. So a lot of these are directories. Some of these are blog posts. So you just create an account, leave a little link to, like, sorry, on the blog post, leave a little comment or something on there, and then just drop a link of your website on there. Like you see, there's a blog spot right here. So just create an account and then leave a link back to your website. So that's basically all directories. I mean, all backlinks are. So like I said, you want to come in here. You don't want to just grab every single one of these. You want to grab the powerful ones and then obviously go out and get better ones so you can just blow these guys out of the water. So with those two tips, that's what's going to get you ranked down here in this organic listen section, which is everything under these maps and under the ads. That's the organic listen section. If you guys want to be ranked number one right here in this area right here, this GMB, the Google My Business, this has everything to do with citations. And citations is your business name, address, and phone number listed in a directory. And a directory is basically just anywhere that allows you to list your business information, such as like Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages. So I like to use whitespark.ca to check this. As we see, Barrett Tree has 49 different directories they're listed in, and you guys have 30. So similar to backlinks, we can use this website right here, and we can see exactly what directories their business is listed in. And I would recommend going out and grabbing every single one of these right here, because you can apply these to your business, And then similar to backlinks, you want to go out and get more. You don't want to be satisfied with just staying the same as them. You guys want to blow these guys out of the water. So with those 3 tips, that's what's going to get you ranked number one and on this first page of Google. So I try to be quick and brief. Hope you found this information useful. So quick recap, we went over just getting 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, as well as adding in those high volume keywords you guys want to be ranking for. Then we talked about backlinks, going out and grabbing these backlinks and then going out and getting more powerful ones. And then we talked about citations, coming in here, taking all these directories, going signing up, and then going out and getting more. Because if they have 49 citations, I recommend going out and getting 100. So yeah, that pretty much wraps it up. So I appreciate your time, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me or Mary. Our cell phone number is 775-402-2885. Thank you, and I look forward to hearing from you.